Hey everyone, it's James from FunFoods, and today we're going to make these easy s'mores dessert bars. Keep watching. Start off with a large bowl, and to that we're going to add 11.5 ounces of chocolate chips. Now add about a tablespoon of coconut oil. You could also use vegetable oil if you'd like, but coconut oil works best. We're going to melt this down in the microwave 30 seconds at a time. Make sure you stir in between. Okay, so that is all melted down. Now what we're going to do is add in our marshmallows and our golden grahams cereal. We just need 2 cups of mini marshmallows, 2 cups of golden graham cereal, and just mix it up. I'm going to add a little bit more of the cereal. I think it needs some more of that. Now we're going to take an 8x8 pan. I have some parchment paper already in here. I'm also going to spray it with some cooking spray. It'll help hold down that parchment paper. And we're just going to fill this. And we're just going to fill our 8x8 pan with our stuff. And just press it down and flatten it out. We're just going to put this in the refrigerator for about a half hour for it to harden up. Okay, so after 30 minutes, you can pull this out of the refrigerator. Should be nice and hard. We can just take this out of its 8x8 container. We can just cut this up into nice squares. And now for the taste test. These are delicious. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching me make these easy s'mores dessert bars. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit the like button. Also hit that big red subscribe button and check out this video right here. And until then, I'll see you next time. Now add about a tablespoon of cocoa. Now we're going to microwave in this oven 30 seconds. We're going to microwave this. We're going to make these s'mores and we can just slice this. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching me make these easy